Fuck, man, it came out.
What came out?
The wire.
Oh. Very nice.
No, not that nice. It's that bad.
Okay. Whoa, what the hell was that?
Not a good wire to touch together.
You just like touched two wires down there?
Yeah.
No, you're like holding on to the horn.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm flexible, man. I am super flexible. Big sexy party. And there's that. There's that. Ow, man.
What?
My forehead just fucking hit the brake pedal. That sucked.
Oh, my face.
Oh my god. It's in!
Very nice.
I think we got it, man.
Very nice. Grip, grip, pull.
Okay.
I said grip, grip, pull.
Come with me to the front and we'll see how good it is.
Okay then. Oh gee, how am I gonna get out of here?
Close the door.
Yes sir. Very nice.
Alright, man, check this out. Shine my lights in here, please.
Very nice.
That's 1800 watts of very nice power. What do you think, man?
Very nice.
We get the wrench and start to install?
Let's have a hand party.
Okay. Okay, man. I'm going to install the 100 amp fuse block onto the battery terminal.
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
But it makes my heart feel good.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, man. Bring the light so we can have a sexy hen party.
No.
No?
No. No
What?
sexy hand party for a while. Okay, for never.
Never?
Never.
Why? But it makes my heart feel good.
But it makes my heart feel good.
Okay.
Okay.
I'd rather not shock the shit out of myself.
Well, why are you putting like a metal wrench on there?
Because I'm not the smartest. I'm not the fucking sharpest tool in the shed, okay?
Okay, very nice.
That fixed it.
Oh, look at all that earwax in that ear.
Oh my god! Sick son bitch. Is there really earwax in there?
No. Let's see what the squirrel does in front of the camera.
Yeah, put the squirrel down and tape it while I'm doing this.
She's putting the tail in front of her face. Oh, never mind.
I don't know, I need a light.
Nice.
I need light.
Very nice.
Is this boring or what?
No. Fun taping.
Hello, little friend. Holy crap, man, this thing got cut up while I was doing that.
Think that's enough of a video?
I don't know, do you want to keep taping?
Sure.
It's kind of fun, right?
Kinda. Just kidding around. Who's that?
Who?
Over there.
Probably Carly.
No.
Do you hear she's like...
I heard something like that, but it didn't sound like my sister. Very nice.
That fits on there good.
Very cool.
No. Does lemon juice get rid of battery acid, do you know?
I have no idea. My dad said something about that though, a long time ago. Why?
They need to know because there's corrosion on here.
Is that really bad?
That's not that bad.
Okay, is it bad?
Yeah. Hi, Mom.
Thomas doesn't hear you?
No, he's being a Jew.
Being Jew.
So when are you going in the house?
In a little while.
When are you going to find your ID?
Very shortly.
Do you have any idea where it is?
Yes.
That's kind of not a very confident answer.
I'm always confident, man.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I love you.
Me too, be good.
Hooray.
Hooray.
No answer.
Okay, I'm gonna stop videotaping for a while.
Okay.
Okay, oh yeah, okay, that's how to stop.